What's up everybody, welcome back. In my previous video I said I'm going to share the cocoa bread recipe. Well, today is the day and this is quite simple, which you will see. You will need 6 ingredients: flour, yeast, salt, sugar, butter and coconut milk. I will put the full list of ingredients and measurements in the description, so make sure to check that out. You don't want the salt to come in direct contact with the yeast, so add it to one side. As far as the sugar, that's fine. Yeast loves sugar. Eventually everything will be mixed together, but that direct contact with the yeast and the salt you don't want, because it can affect the chemistry of the yeast when the dough is rising. Here I added 3 tablespoons soft or room temperature vegan butter. You can use melted butter as well, and this is unsalted. Ensure that your milk is either warm or room temperature. Once I'm done kneading the dough, I'm going to cover it and allow it to rise for 1 hour. So after that 1 hour, I'm going to deflate the dough and then knead it for about a minute before rolling it out to form the cocoa breads. For those who are not familiar with cocoa bread, it's dense yet soft and buttery on the inside and slightly sweet, and this is normally paired with patty to make a sandwich. Here I'm using a pot cover to cut out the dough. This makes it so much easier, but of course you can cut a small piece of the dough at a time and use a rolling pin to roll the dough into like a circular shape. Once you're done rolling the dough, apply butter. I'm using room temperature unsalted butter. Melted butter works as well, and you can also use a brush instead of a knife to apply it. Once done, fold the dough in half. Do not seal the ends, just fold in half and place onto a baking tray, and repeat the same process for the remaining dough. After that 30 minutes, bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until golden brown. All done, these came out lovely. Just the aroma of freshly baked bread will have you craving these. These are so good. So here I'm just brushing the top with some more butter. Cheers to one of the perfect combo, patty and cocoa bread. This brings back a lot of memories. So delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try. Let me know if you do. Leave your suggestions down below, and until next time, bless upon yourself.